Alright guys, I had an amazing find at my local Dollar Tree. I'm dumping all this out and I'll show you the bag. Dollar Tree. Now I don't know if you guys have a Dollar Tree or not, but there is actually a website. Oh, I need to check the website. Alright, this is just the yarn I grabbed. And each of these was only $1 a piece. If I can figure out how I want to stack them. There's a lot here. Which, I went in, I grabbed a couple of these because I saw the sequins and I thought it was really pretty. And when I got home, I'm feeling it. I was like, wait a minute. I thought it was just some cheap 100% acrylic yarn. I was like, yeah, I'll get it. I'll find something cute with it. It's acrylic, polyester, mohair, and wool. See how it's got like the little, it's called a halo, like that fuzz around it. That's the mohair. Ours had it in 2 different colors. So I bought up all the red it had, and I bought a bunch of this color, which is called Pale Blue Topaz. And mine only had 2 of these, or I would have got more. Some weird chunky yarn. This is going to be so fun to work with. And it had a ton of the ruffle yarn, like the sports collars. But you gotta remember to check out these places because you never know. Like, this was an amazing find. I love my Dollar Tree. I go in like once a week and check because it's random. We have 2 Dollar Trees and only one of them, actually we have 3 Dollar Trees and 2 of them got the yarn in. The third one didn't get it. But this is awesome. Like, I got enough yarn here to do like a massive, massive shawl out of the red or this topaz color. See what the red is called. Ruby. I got 2, 4, 6. I got 8 in this, and I got 2, 4, 6, 8, and I got 10 in this one. So I could do something really big, and I love the sequins in them. I think that's really, really cute. So I've already got a needle knit shawl I'm working on with this collar. This is going to be something loom, and this will be something loom, and the rest of this will probably be loomed too. But look, this is very good quality yarn. This stuff online is still selling for $5-6 a piece. So this is awesome. I'm very excited. I got some nice yarn, really, really cheap. I spent like $20 and got all of this. I got 10 of this, 8 of this, both of these for $20. Super, super excited. Where do you guys find good deals on yarn? Leave comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up for a like and also to share and subscribe. There's a subscribe logo on here somewhere. I forget which corner. But on the screen somewhere is a spot where you can subscribe. Also, make sure your notifications are turned on so that whenever I post a new video, you'll get an email. I do at least 1 video a week every Friday around 5 p.m. And those ones are going to be somewhat loom related, whether it is fiber or reviews or looms. 1 to 2 new patterns a month minimum. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.